Hi, we're the Whitaker brothers, and today we're down here at Roadkill Grill in Las Vegas. And we have been invited to come down and view the kitchen, taste the food, and a one-on-one interview with John Mules right here on Soul TV Fun Recipe.
Let's go.
This would be a great place to take your family if you're out here in Vegas or if you're visiting in Vegas. Again, they have warmers right here. All right, so we got some volunteers that's gonna let me ask them some questions. I appreciate it. What's your name?
My name is Patricia.
How you doing, Patricia?
I'm Paul Harrison.
How you doing, Paul Harrison? And we're both the Whitaker brothers.
The Whitaker brothers?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Is this your first time coming here?
It's our first time being at this restaurant, yes.
Oh, okay. How was your meal and what did you order?
Well, we ordered burnt ends, a hot link, brisket, and...
You bought rabbit.
Oh, no, I didn't buy any rabbit. I bought goat. So I'm going to cook when I get home.
Oh, okay. Wow. Well, there you have it. And I think I'm going to order the same thing. I do like the way you order some tri-tips and some. What else you got?
Some burnt ends.
Burnt ends. You gotta write that down. And I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. We'll let you get back to your meal.
It's nice meeting both of you.
Okay, nice meeting you too. Now, we got people from Arizona coming out here to try John Mules Roadkill. What's your name?
Tom, Raza,
Joey, Dave. And I heard that you guys out here for a tournament.
yeah, we're for a pool tournament.
That was exciting, man. Hope you guys have a good time.
Well, thank
It's nice
you.
seeing you guys have fun in Vegas.
Thank you.
And what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, right?
Have a good one. Have a good
All
day,
right.
guys. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. You know I do. That's why I'm here.
All right, so welcome to John Mules Roadkill Grill. Right here we have our hot food line. We also have a cold meat line. Cold meat's going to be anything catering, anything you'd like to order as far as a steak, anything on that line that can be cut from Mr. John Chuck Farmer himself. We've been here since 1946. We've been serving food since 1988 in some shape and capacity. But this is the famous Roadkill Grill.
Let me tell you, hardworking, motivated, nice person, and friendly. John Mules.
I just paid him to say that.
Oh man, I'll tell you.
We'll have to give you.
You are though. You're a very nice person.
We'll have to give you some promotional stuff.
All right.
I'll let you taste it, man.
This time, now you just freshly sliced this right off the grill.
Right out of the smoker, baby.
Taste all that flavor, and the smell is so good. All right. Thank you, John. Thank you.
So this brisket that you just ate, that's actually injecting that right now, and that marinade is it's like basically salt, sugar, garlic, onion.
Okay.
We inject it, let it sit for a couple of days. Then after 2 days, then we'll put it in the smokehouse. Then it smokes for about 14 hours. Then after we take it out of the smokehouse, we let it rest, just so it tenderize. But that's where it all starts at, right there. So these are all inside round.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll put them through this big tenderizer. Once they've been tenderized, then we'll slice them, marinate them, and then put those in the smokehouse. Same thing. So we do a lot of different things other than just the barbecue. You know, we make a lot of different products.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of different processes because everything is different.
Oh, here, wave up.
Let's see if we get some.
There you go,
Yeah, there you go.
You do it.
Rocky thing on it.
Yeah, can I pretend? I always wanted to pretend like I'm gonna hit some heat over here. Wow.
So basically, this is where everything starts around here. I mean, all the meat comes in. As soon as the meat comes in, we break it down. We either grind it for hot links, different types of sausages, ground meat.
Nice.
What she's doing right now, she's actually used a smaller tumbler.
Okay.
And we're gonna actually tumble those tri-tips.
Okay.
When I say tumble them, we're gonna put them in a little vacuum tumbler. We're gonna put marinade in with them, and then once we've done that, we're gonna pull it vacuum. In other words, suck everything into it. All the seasoning, all the marinade is gonna go into the meat, and then we'll let it roll on a little tumbler for about 2 hours. And after 2 hours, it'll create a protein bind. In other words, that seasoning will adhere to the meat.
Okay.
It won't come off when you cook it, so it'll stay within the meat. That's the whole idea behind using that little vacuum.
And you said about 300 pounds of pork a day.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I just want to make sure I got into that right. And last but not least, is hot links.
The world famous hot links, man.
Yes. The world
Oh yeah.
hot links.
World famous, baby.
This right here,
Right on time.
ladies and gentlemen, my favorite.
And we make about 600 pounds of those a day on a normal day. Around the holidays, we'll make about 1,200 pounds a day.
Nice.
It really varies as far as what time of year and basically what holiday it is.
So I hope you got that 600 pounds of link a day.
A day.
Wow, that's just inconceivable, but it's very tasteful.
Yeah, those do have good taste.
Yes, they do.
Tasty, but not too wasted.
All right, thank you. Wow, you wouldn't even know it's that many rooms in here.
This place can add on to about 1,000
I was like, wow. Look at the camera, Bobby. Right here is the tilt skillet.
So, that's pretty crazy, man. I was just thinking about it. We actually make about 180 pounds of beans a day.
Wow.
I never thought about that before. That's crazy.
185 pounds of beans
A
a
day.
day. That is,
I never even thought about that until just
yeah.
now.
Like I said, inconceivable.
That's the first time I thought about that.
All right, Bobby.
Everybody, if you haven't got it, you should.
All right. Good. Say hi. All right. Okay.
Right behind you.
All right.
Wow, look at that. This is where all the magic
Wow. This is all that chopping.
So we've got rotating grill. Oh, 24 hours a day, 7 days.
Get in there, boss. Thank you.
So that's actually,
Wow, look at that.
those are actually burnt
Oh,
ends right
that is
there.
nice. That is nice. Our line out there too.
That's the whole idea behind it.
Wow.
That's what we shoot for.
Okay. And over there, we got some the pork and some
You got some chicken,
all the white.
we got pork ribs.
Oh, you got some. Look at that. Get close up on that, Bobby. Right there, there's some like.
Now this grill right here is just all charcoal. So basically, we put
Wow.
different things on different, I mean, we're looking for different textures, we're looking for different flavors. So if we put everything on the same smoker, then we'd have just heavy smoke, heavy smoke, heavy smoke. And like this one over here, let's see what we got on here.
Okay.
And like I said, this one's a pellet grill.
Wow.
So we'll cook rib tips over here because
This
it
is
gives it
where
a different flavor.
So
you
we
know?
got
It's like
the rib tips are being cooked on a pellet grill. So that's where all that unique flavor comes from, and all these other signature good barbecue
We're here at the Roadkill Grill,
in Las Vegas.
and we appreciate John for giving us a tour and bringing you guys along.
Wait till you see this guy. Live out here.
Oh, what? Thank you.
I can't wait to open it.
So we got a surprise, so let's see what we
Surprise! I was like, whoa! What a surprise! You know, they say to open stuff when you get home, but I'm so glad I opened it here. Oh my God! Look at this. I'm not wearing gloves. Oh my God. Have you ever seen something? This is half the cow. Oh, this is, sorry, this is going home to the family. And so, we will try a piece. What do you say, Bobby? Let's get our forks out. Let's just try it. Oh, it's so tender. And onions on top. Hi, Mom. I'm coming home. And we're going to eat good today. Hey, and I believe there's another YouTuber here. Okay. We're going to eat this at home, but we just wanted to show everybody how much food we got. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know about you. We got macaroni greens. We got. All right. So now we have our cherry, apple, and peach cobbler, and we're gonna have our taste testers try it out for us. So let's go. Hi. So this one is peach, apple, and cherry. And let us know how you like it.
This tastes like banana.
Yes, it's amazing.
Bussin'. It's good. Great.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So you guys gonna finish all of that, or you're gonna eat a little now, a little later?
Eat it all.
Yeah, right.
That's great. Thanks.
Alright, thanks,
bro.
girls.
All right, good job. Man,
Alright, you guys. I'll
this is
catch you on the other side.